scratched my neck, where neck and neck and neck and neck and neck and no water in the water fountain, no phone in the phone booth. And you said, oh my yeah, what you doing there? Jump back, kinda shot a better woo-ha, woo-ha. Gotcha, we're gonna get the water from your house, your house. I saved up all my pennies and I gave them to this special guy. When he had enough of them, he bought himself a cherry pie. He gave me $1, a blood-soaked dollar. I cannot get the spot out, but it's okay, it still works in the store. Greasy man, come and take my